The holidays are here. Cue the music, the decorating, the family and friends and feasts. Cue the stress. Actually, I take that back. I'm Jordin Sparks, and I found 3 amazing families who are about to get a totally stress-free holiday makeover.
We are doers. We just don't have time.
And there's no better place to get all the Christmas decorations than at the Home Depot. Let's get to decorating. From twinkling lights that dance like sugar plum fairies to cozy nooks perfect for sipping hot cocoa, my team and I have got it covered. It's gonna look so good. Let's do this! My decorating tips and tricks will also help you kick off the season with ease and inspiration. I think it's really cool to be able to use things you already have. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty! We're going up on the housetop, rocking around the Christmas tree, and having ourselves a merry little Christmas.
So cool!
This is incredible.
Let's get merry and bright.